What is going on, A1 gang? We're back with another video. Today we got a 2019 Infiniti QX50 Essential all-wheel drive. Now this is a very beautiful SUV, and sorry about if the volume or audio is different from all the other Infiniti vehicles. My camera died. I really need to buy a second battery for that camera, because that's like my primary camera, and it's always down once I get to like 3 or 4 vehicles in, then it dies. But nonetheless, we got backups. I could even use my phone, but nonetheless, we got the GoPro on deck, so we're gonna make it do what it do. And I also I bought a new memory card. I bought a Samsung this time for the memory card. I had a Sony in there. The Sony is the one that corrupt all my data and everything. But I didn't even make it this far into reviewing this vehicle before it messed up all my files. But nonetheless, you got the aggressive front end on this one. Looks very nice. Let's go ahead and unlock those doors. As you can see, you got the LED lights right here that runs along the side right there. Very nice. You got the big Infiniti badge in the front. Now this is the one that replaced, I think it was like the FX or something like that, 30 or 40, whatever. I don't, their names are so hard to keep up with, especially when you don't have actual names of cars. You just got the numeric stuff like that. But let's go ahead and get into the sticker. You probably won't be able to see it, but here it is, 2019 Infiniti Q50 Essential all-wheel drive and power to drive. There you go. So for the performance, you got a 2.0 liter variable compression turbo 4-cylinder engine putting out 268 horsepower, 280 foot-pounds of torque, all-wheel drive. So you got the CVT in this one as well. So those of y'all that don't like CVT transmissions, I hate to see it, but it's got it. You got the rain sensing front windshield wipers as well on this one. You got the garage home link. You got the LED fog lights, the daytime running lights, privacy glass, paddle shifters, manual tilt and telescopic steering column. You have everything. You got the panoramic roof. Just take a look at all of that stuff. You got for the technology right here. Now you got the forward emergency braking. You see, you got the forward emergency braking, pedestrian detection with the pedestrian detection, predictive forward collision warning, blind spot warning, around view monitoring with moving object detection. That's like the 360 bird's eye view. Then you got the rear view monitor, the parking sensors, the remote start, the voice recognition, navigation. You have everything in this vehicle right here. And then right here, your price was $45,150. After, you know, your packages and all of that stuff, brings your total price to $60,455. Also, what is unique is they put the towing capacity right there, so you could tow up to 3,000 pounds with this vehicle as well. You also got the Pro Pilot Assist as well, lane departure warning, high beam assist where it'll dim your headlights. You got all of that good stuff right here. Also, you got the it's an autograph package, which is the leather seats and stuff. We'll show you that in a minute. So you get 24 in the city, 30 on the highway, 26 miles per gallon combined. And then there's your warranty information. There you go, bam, just like that. Let's finish taking a walk around this vehicle, because this is a sexy vehicle. It's an SUV, sexy little SUV. Got the dual pipes down there. Now my sister has this vehicle right here. This is what it replaced right here. It replaced the FX45 and anything that looks like that. I don't want to show y'all this is how the car looks. This is what it replaced right here, this truck right here. My sister, she actually had this truck. She switched over and bought this one right here. This is what this QX50 is replacing. But now my sister has this vehicle. I'll probably do a more in-depth driving review of her. She don't have this package or anything like that, so it's not gonna be comparable. But she has this vehicle right here, and I can tell you that CVT transmission is not slow at all. So those of y'all that have y'all doubts and all of that, this thing flies. I've driven it several times. Very nice car, well, SUV. But nonetheless, let's get in it and start it up, and let y'all get this exhaust note real quick. nice sporty exhaust note to it. As you can see, little tow hitches down there. So let's go ahead and pop the hood and show y'all the headlights real quick, because this thing looks ferocious, man. So 268 horsepower, I think that's what I said. So we're gonna pop the hood for y'all real quick. There you go, right there, the turbo. Very nice. So right here with the headlights, as you can see, you got the beam, the fog light down there. Also, look at that, you got like 3 little, you know, for your high beams, you got the 3 little individual lights right there. Then you got the LED right here. Very nice. Come on, man, Infiniti is killing it with this SUV right here. Let's go ahead and get in it real quick. Infiniti, I'm feeling this one, y'all, for real. This one is 60,000. I'm gonna tell y'all from right now, just y'all ain't even saw the inside of it yet. We're gonna get to that. 60,000, definitely worth it, definitely. Now right here you got the brown leather right here, then you got the suede. You got the suede right there. Now this is like a bluish color right here. Then you got the real wood right there too, that grayish like wood. Now this is the craziest color combo that I've ever seen, and I'm loving it. Like, it's so many colors. You got the blue, the brown, the beige, I mean the gray. Is like, man, come on now. Then you got the Bose Performance Series speakers right here. You got the blind spot monitoring, all of that good stuff, and that little indicator right there. You got the hard plastics down there where you scuff your shoes up. You got Infiniti right here on the door seal that lights up as well. Let's go ahead and show y'all a look around the inside, man. This SUV is just gorgeous. Got the quilted diamond stitched seating right here with the beige, the brown, and then, you know, it's just a crazy color combo, man. Let's go ahead and get in here. I'm really feeling this one for real. Like my sister, she just got regular black seats. Like, I didn't see this one right here. This one is killing the game. So you got the brown steering wheel, and what I like about it is that the dash, all of this, normally when you get a different color seats car, when the seats be a different color, they just still make this black. All of this is like black or something like that. With this one, they showed out. They made this beige. They got the wood right there with the blue suede. Excuse me. Then they got the blue suede right there. Then they got the brown leather up there. It's all stitched, soft touch. Then you got the heads up display. Infiniti, good job, man. Y'all killed it. I'm telling you. This right here is better than some BMW trucks that I've reviewed as well in the past. This right here is killing Cadillac. All of it. This right here, hands down, man. This might even be killing some Lexus as well. This interior, if y'all looking for a what is this, like a mid-size SUV, definitely check this one out, man, for real. They showed out on this one. So you got your steering assist right there. That's your steering assist button. Then you got your parking sensors. So only available with cruise control on. So that's like your lane detect, lane keeping, and all of that, lane departure stuff. Then you got different buttons right here. I'm not sure what this does, because like when I hit it, it told me I had to do something while driving. So then you got your tailgate button right here. Turn those headlights back to auto. You got your brightness and dimmer right here. You got the paddle shifters on the back of the steering wheel. Now, only thing they could have did better was take the paddle shifters from the Q50 that I reviewed and put them in here too. And that, man, that would have made it right there. Everything else is good. You got your sensors button right here where you can turn all that off. Now, when I be saying sensors button, that's exactly what I mean. That's the sensors button. As you can see, when I hit that button, look what it says: forward, lane, and blind spot. That's all of your sensors. So that's all of your sensors at one. I'm not gonna call them off individually each time when I explain the button, but that's what it is. It's all of that, those buttons. It's all of that in one button. So right here you got the buttons, you know, your typical phone buttons and buttons to cycle throughout this menu right here. Now that is a digital display right there in the center, and then you got the analog gauges off to the side. Then right here it says seatbelt is not fastened, so we can't do any cruise control things or anything like that. Right here you got your navigation. Man, this leather is Man, this car right, they just I'm gonna go ahead and tell them, you know, go ahead and let me have this one right here, because this one is crushing. So right here, you know, you got the dual screens. I like the dual screens in this one because it's the interior layout. See, I'm starting to see the dual screen thing. Okay, Infiniti, y'all, my bad for bashing y'all before. My bad, I'll take that back. But it still doesn't work in that Q60, the two doors coupe. It don't work in there at all. This, it works in, and the 50. Just like all my other videos that y'all saw, if I don't know which order I'm gonna put it in or whatnot. So right here you got your driver assistance, which is your forward assist, your lane assist. You see the you know, the icons and all of that stuff right there. That's all of that stuff right there. Let's go back. You don't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so they not doing that yet. I don't know why. You got your Infiniti drive mode selector, so you can customize once you know. Right now I think it's in like standard. Yeah, it's in standard mode. I see it on the dash. You can customize standard mode to have a sporty suspension or whatnot. You got your clock right there, your quick guide, Sirius satellite radio, Infiniti intuition right there. That's like your intelligent key link, so it memorizes who's in the vehicle based on different settings and all of that stuff. You got your climate down here, points of interest and all of that stuff for your maps. Climate right here. You can do all of that. You got heated steering wheel. I don't know why the AC is on, but the heat is on. Hazard buttons. You got heated and cooled seats, dual climate control on both sides. You got your CD player right here. You got your radio. I mean, it's very nice in here, man. Now this right here is kind of tough to open. It was open before. Man, that thing is tough to open. I don't know why is it. Oh, you gotta like push it down and then it. Yeah, there you go. So you gotta like push down. It shouldn't be that tough though. You gotta push down and then slide it. So in here you have a little storage pocket right there. Then you got two USBs and a 12-volt charger and your cup holders. Now this is unique where the push button start is at right there. I like that a lot. That's very nice. Look at that blue suede over there, man. I know y'all see it on the video right now because it's looking ultra crispy. Then you got your shifter. This is a nice shifter right here. So the unlock part is right here in the front, and then you just move it. See how it moves? Very silky smooth. Then you got your park hold, auto hold, all that good stuff. Drive mode, which is just says D mode on it, but it's drive mode. So right here you got the sport mode, personal mode, standard, and eco. Like I said, personal mode, you can make it anything that you want. You could change the suspension, the throttle response, all of that stuff. You can change everything about the vehicle. Right there in the glove box you got all your cleaning stuff for your screens and all of that stuff. Nice storage in there as well. Right here, hit this button, opens it up. You got a USB and nothing else is down there. Very nice. Look at that back seat, man. This killing him. I think my sister should have got this trim right here, because this one right here, you got the brown suede. Now this is suede up here too. Now that's what I'm saying. This is killing a lot of vehicles right now, and it's $60,000. Like, we didn't try to open that up. No way, Jose. All right, got the panoramic roof open right now. We're gonna leave that open actually because it's bringing in a lot of light while I do this on the GoPro. Yeah, man, you got suede on the roof all the way back, even all the way back through to the trunk. Let's go ahead and get back there actually too, and we're gonna take a look at all the stuff back there as well. Leg room, head room, all of that good stuff as well. Gotta unlock it. So right here in the back, got the same materials on the back door that's on the front door as well. You got the manual sunshade right here. So if you got little kids or even you got grown-ups, I mean, you got tinted windows, so the sun ain't gonna be that bad, but still, there you go, bam, you throw that up. I would tint my windows darker just because I like my backs darker. But there you go, you still got the sunshade as well too. Let's go ahead and get back here. So now that we're back here, nice amount of room too. So right here you got the storage pocket on the back of the seat. Let me move this back part back. Okay, Okay, so there we go. I had to move the this part back. As you can see, that one is kind of high up, and that's how mine was. But yeah, leg room is good. My headroom is great. I'm not that tall, 5'7", 5'8". Leg room, headroom is good, so you're not gonna have to worry about that. Even if you over 6 feet tall, nothing to worry about here. You still got a lot of room. Got the climbing back here with the digital readout. There it is right there. USB 12-volt charger. Vents. Nice leather seats, nice and soft. That panoramic roof, ultra crispy from back here too. Talking a little bit too fast. Man, you got cup holders, everything. This white leather is where it's at, man. With that blue, who would have thought of a crazy combination like this, man? For real. Like who would have thought? So I guess this door got the child lock on, so I can't get out of it. So I got to get out over here. So right here, got the Infiniti down there, and it lights up. As you can see, it's lighting up now. And let's go ahead and open up the tailgate back here. Probably ain't gonna open up from the button. It never does for me for some reason. Oh, there it is right there. Now look at all of that cargo room that you get back here. So you got your Infiniti QX50 on the mats right here. You got your tire iron and all of that good stuff, your jack, all of that stuff right there. And let's see, is that a third row? Oh no, I was gonna say, does this have a third row? I didn't see one at all. But yeah, buttons right here. Well, latch just about, so you could lay that seat right there down, lay it down flat. Then you have more increased cargo space too. Very nice. Let's go ahead and close up the trunk. And give y'all just a quick little walk around it again. Very nice, man. Infiniti killed it with this one. So that y'all don't even need to know the question, is it worth it? You know what I'm saying? Definitely, hands down, definitely. And like I said, that CVT, I've driven one of these before. My sister, like I said, my sister has one, just not this trim level. That CVT is no lag in it at all or nothing like that. Drive smooth, takes off just fine. All of that. $60,455, man. Just like that, this video is done. See y'all in the next. Thanks for watching. I'm gone.